What's going on, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Today we are going to unbox the 30K Sena little Bluetooth mic for your biking helmet. So we're gonna open this up and check it out. So price on this bad boy retails for the $329. The bike shop right down the road from me, the motorcycle shop, I went and got a better price online and they beat that price. Or they matched it, I mean. So it comes in this little plastic piece here. Let's unbox it. There's the directions on the back. As you open it up, it has this nice little felt in here. There we go. It's got the mic. It's got the earpiece, so you can hear. Now, there was one at the Harley-Davidson shop, and this goes in between the helmets so you can hear and listen. There was one at the Harley-Davidson shop that went into a helmet, but I have a different kind of helmet than that, and I have the one with the visor that goes down. I forget the name of it, but it's nice. The visor goes down, and then it also has a sunglasses part. So there you go. Here's a little connector. You turn it on and off. You turn it up and down. You can talk to your buddy next to you if you're cruising around on the bike. So this is what's gonna be nice. I'll be able to set this up on my bike helmet, and my buddy has the same exact one. So him and I will be able to talk to each other. Here's some more stuff down here, some mic. Let's see, what else is in here? Ooh, some charging points. So if you have some charger, if you have a charger on your bike, cigarette lighter. I have a Harley, but doesn't have a port. So we got this here, we got this bag. Let's see what this bag has in it. A couple handy dandy covers for your microphone. A wire. A couple little paddings that go over your ears. Will you listen? This goes over that as well. Re-embed. So put it on the bike. Same thing. This one here is for your voice. This is your microphone. And some more ports as well for the inside. So a lot of fun stuff in here, you guys. So I'll hook that up on my helmet. I'll do another review with it, but it's gonna be a lot nicer. Currently I have Apple earbud, and I put that in my helmet, or I put that in my ear, then put my helmet on, and it's a little bit more harsh that way. And sometimes it falls on my ear when I take my helmet off. So this will be good. Is it worth the money? Is it worth the $300, $329? And then if you get a discount off it, yeah, absolutely, because you can talk to your friend. If they're ahead of you, they say, hey, we're gonna hang a left here. You know, someone has to go to the restroom. Obviously, you're paying attention anyways, but it's just a lot easier. Hey, take a look to your right, or bike's ahead of you. You know, pothole. I just missed a pothole on the right-hand side. Move over. Eric, whatever it is, you know, do you see the birds up to the right? It doesn't matter. It's just going to be a lot safer. You can listen to your music on here too. Obviously, it's Bluetooth for that as well. I'm going to put it obviously on this side of your helmet, and it just clicks on and off of this piece here, like so, and away you can go. So this will go up underneath, and then there's a button back here to be able to, it's a quick release like that. You'll hear it. Listen real quick. I'll listen. Hear that little click? That means you're on. So now if you get off the bike, you put your helmet down. If you're not carrying your helmet around, I mean, I just paid $300 and something for my helmet, so I'll be carrying that sucker around with me. But there's this little button right here. You just click it and it pops right out. There you go. So, yeah, all set to go, you guys. Any other questions or whatnot, let me know. I did put a link below so you guys can order these right off of Amazon. And I believe off Amazon they're like $2.97 or something. And that's what I got it for because I matched Amazon's website. So you guys will have the same price, especially if you guys have Prime, you can get the free shipping. So, all right, you guys, I'm getting off of here. I'm gonna put this on my bike helmet. Until next time, love you, see you later.